We're explaining the ORA-00907 missing right parenthesis error in Oracle SQL. This error is a common headache for anyone working with SQL, and it's usually simpler to fix than it initially seems. The core problem is that your SQL query has an imbalance of parentheses. Oracle's parser, which reads and interprets your code, encounters an opening parenthesis without a corresponding closing parenthesis. Let's explore some common causes and how to troubleshoot this. 1. Incorrectly nested parentheses. This is the most frequent culprit. Imagine you have multiple functions or subqueries within each other. If you accidentally omit a closing parenthesis in the inner layer, or even add an extra opening one without the correct closure, Oracle will throw this error. For example, if you have select count from my table plus sum column 1 from another table, you're missing a closing parenthesis after the first count function. The correct structure should be select count from my table plus sum column 1 from another table. 2. Parentheses and string literals. Remember that parentheses are also used to group data within string literals. If you're using concatenation or string functions, ensure that your parentheses are properly balanced both inside and outside string literals. A common mistake is forgetting to close a parenthesis within a string. For example, select. This is a string literal from dual, needs a closing parenthesis. Correctly, it should be select. This is a string literal from dual. 3. Subqueries and joins. When dealing with subqueries or complex joins, each subquery or nested statement must have its own set of matching parentheses. Carefully review each part of your query to confirm that each dot is accompanied by its correspondings. It can help to use indentation to visually organize your query and improve readability. 4. Typographical errors. Sometimes it's just a simple typo, a misplaced parenthesis, an extra character, or a missing character entirely. Double-check your entire query thoroughly, looking for even minor inconsistencies. 5. Using parentheses for function arguments. When using functions such as decode, case, or NVL, ensure all your arguments are correctly enclosed in parentheses. Any missing or extra parentheses will cause the ORA-00907 error. 6. Debugging strategies. To pinpoint the location of the problem, systematically check your parentheses, starting from the innermost parenthesis sets and working outwards. Using a SQL editor with syntax highlighting can help, as it visually shows you matching parentheses. Some IDEs or SQL clients provide tools to identify errors that can help to spot unbalanced parentheses. Remember to carefully review your code line by line. The error message itself won't pinpoint the exact location of the missing parenthesis, but by reviewing your code systematically, you'll find it.